Ewa munyina akwaba adibata Abia TV so yego so the 2020 elections no enkombo ahobwa no de yade a ekoso isi efrase yesi de akodru ene se obi kwan atum ama obi bia wo pepasa opese ogina na yeto no so aba as parliamentary candidate as presidential candidate no last week ena obi nomination no o close no within the week say at the close of nomination no in your 17 individuals might express interest in the presidential elections no intimino ka say there isi ego so eye ahomboa wo hwehwe omunkrata mu ena omudwumade nyina mu apese hwan ne se fata se ballot paper no obeba so eno ho komo tiawa ena ene mene opani ba ko a owedare wa amanyosem mu ene de waso atwe no kakra kan no no wum say do atwe no kakra ene no bedi nkomo afa sa enhye a ana sa media bekoso no eho nyame adom ochena ene expect say easy the list of qualified candidates no ever bonten you better expectations omon be wuram omon muntimi wuram de ntia muntimi wuram ene de ntia omon be wuram no ebe wuram beko Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and all social media platforms no na wa search for Abia TV afi we are like pages no share na obia so enya bi enhwe they say there commission no waje aspirants nyina na so obia nkrata ewie so far we share preparations na oni aso easy preparations so far
we advanced than Charlotte said period no because Charlotte said ma 2 days and we ma 5 days na 2 days to gather all the information here na announce and we better of abema political parties no aharo nkakra didn't you make us say NDC and PPD are grounded and they can call their officers
even in a day
okay. Now other political parties no and ne asem no na untimi hwe nipa mienu anami ensan ni munhemra say who did do anima and we a bit advanced a change Charlotte time no yeah.
And my encore into the various parties so far presidential aspirants no by close of nomination no na nipa 17 mumiensa ma ena mumiensa enso independent candidate na according to report no 17 no Owura Alfred Kwame Sidu Walker independent candidate Nana Danka Kufuado ejinamu de New Patriotic Party NPP afi Bridget Jogbenuku ejinamu de ama People's Progressive People's Party PPP ena Christian Kwabena Andrew Sofu Chabosom ononso jinamu de Ghana Union Movement GUM afi John Dramani Mahama ejina de ama National Democratic Congress NDC Ekuyadonko represente Ghana Freedom Party GFP Omoakam Owura Henry Herbert Lati Great Consolidated Popular Party GCPP Marik Kofi Gani also independent candidate Hassan Ayarga All People's Congress APC Kofi Krantin independent candidate Nana Konadu Ajima Rollins ejinamu National Democratic Party NDP Ivor Kabina Green Street ejinamu CPP akoko party ni CPP afi omwaka no Akwesi Ade Odike United Progressive Party Akwesi Busumuru enso ginamu ama People's Action Party PAP Nana Ajeni Mboaten Jataba enso ginamu ama United Front Party UFP ena Festival Kofi Akpalu enso ginamu ama Liberal Party of Ghana LPG ena ne krakra no David Asibi Apasara enso gina ama People's National Convention PNC mizanji list no ni 17
Ghana, we should get serious.
Obi person the president
they be me intention me the next time I will be inviting me the presidential nomination form now you are feeling complete.
Okay.
For 2012 and 2016.
Okay.
Go me the paper betro.
Okay.
The paper betro. And the asma make nomination. And the be mama pass you be nipa more than 6. e basa be mo
ade ntina kasa
form no feeling enye better obi timi ko share dem no efele no sensan I'm telling you
wa kwaje
me say 2012 ye call electoral commissioner odike efa ho ekoye de oye ya onidin ba ayi no ballot no so na manya kwan am present me there obi beji mimiti e na all feel ewo electoral commission office
ona
I'm telling you this the only purpose onim no ho me modin me say apart from NDC and MPP as a political parties no ye tu ye buna ye screen wo ye because let political party laws na say we offices 2/3 of the constituencies.
Okay.
The ben won GCPP Ekwadonko party head office when. Won ni party, do you know her party colors?
Menya hu bi.
And she say you disqualify na enyamoma. You must get and one say o ma G certificate ni say o political party asan. Our friends odike ma hu say container bi share genius to grow bi mo baby o mu kan di ho enu container emu ne o
so o ma so kwa constituency office no
atuka constituency and to be constituency office so dey way
and dey menya hu ye
these are jokers as I said the last time omu di emu agro because the institution call is no omu na nsi form ese omu ejiji omu certificate no kura na omu jide omu ye no
enti nipa 17
no independent no omu ni problem
okay.
Because that's you know we are independent it is not a party we are contemporary
yeah
enti omu no say 100 kura na be kwa say ye be share income
okay.
Or tax clearance na ya share forms no na ya share say the wa feeling na omu de I compare we say voters ID numbers now why any genuine sana who entry be a double you be disqualified and then disqualify ayarga because girl na or sign bakuma UFP and was sign bakuma ayarga I know her I know the husband is a friend
okay
and he says encounter ni bi ba say be a signature no on say ye form no ni atro mark mark no what is the meaning of mark is it mark like this
so we tape
and now cross so and say we tom print
okay
and any nyina ambiguity e form no so at least people need to scrutinize it well
okay
so just say ne bi crash dem no mo tom print me ma chini Ghana nyina fill form you do easy no na obi aba no waje because then no na me a novice in the game nti na say o say nipa say unansi form amafo to me use
yeah
yes nti I'm yet to see what the issue will do but me not sure say presidential candidate no they will be more than 7
all these 17 Mr. Yomo
as I say ye be 14 crave free neka be 3 baby
and they say o say 2 horse race
oh but the game they know say between Nana Akufo-Addo and John Mahama
sa crofin nyina
enkashi woman kashi
gum say obe win by 65% enti o say nyina
why ni gum
so for traboson
office ye asori dem no gina ebe pe correction na gina obe hu na nipa obede mi se wonya 0.2% a min kasa wo radio so biem 0.2% I am yes Chiraboson ni church members they are not going to vote for him so what they so far or sorry they will not vote for him no what go school at training college I know him.
But say he's a presidential candidate.
Oh, doesn't matter. Need say educational. Me just say I know him. And to want me he cannot win. But anyway, me say the game is between John Mahama and the Akufo-Addo, and the Akufo-Addo is going to win at all costs. And the woman Makamina, they are just there to make our democracy, say a multi-party. And between the two candidates, John and Nana. Obian hobiem odike. E dey no
last about 2 weeks ago on our launching.
I was passing there. I saw the banner. There be me quite there. What the came about cotton and now for the few was from Sekakai. Michiano cross Minchao. Oh, you're intolerant. Also, Nima Yaka, Mammy Maniche. Say 2012 now, me challenging on officer that politics no, a fear Japadie, and so on. Wakasa Obinkabi, ye can't be. He is one who cry 1%, where 0.1%. Onya, chocho.
Odike is 0.1%.
Onya. Ni Grantumano, ni Macrantumano. I am telling you.
As a war attack,
any attack, and may come a dream, may say, the way of Casano. One who I had said the Otis and Darcy, you be sir, presidential candidate, or one a party spokesperson, or one a financier, or your party chairman. Would ye? Na entina na kufadro nye campaign kura no how often na otin nkan radio so akwai na ma na kasa na tendidie na kufadro your kronfo na we say didi udi wonsa yi no kire wo kroma we hwe wo e de no ka on ka hwe
is it that omunni message ana tona Ghana for ntoma wo
oh na say he has no constituency that represent in a constituency. Only constituency, not constituency as where he stays. The target, no, Busahun say would the target group A1. He just speaks. Only target say be intellectual. Share NDC manifesto by the intellectuals are Omo battle MPP day. No, the manifesto no. On 2012 was able to bohu ewo form. Now where ye winning aba. Uko efo no ututu bohu ewo how do you do it? Research be mo ye hu say e bia wo 1 acre borehole say na obetu na timi aye adwuma and mass production and they just speak and na make say yes adwasin komo oh eh tobo eh na ye be one watio eno no he is not saying anything jataba
Mr.
ono dia na wate so ka enya no an say MPP fo nya afi okumase ya no afran toma no adana no ho hene no a press conference no demonstration no theatre me this year me sa I didn't know can he doesn't say anything and these people do you think they can have time to write a page of idea you workable idea wo di adwuma be ye say so like Baumia say they want to digitalize the nation which is good. Yenya 4 fingerprint ni hu house number wo ko share na ntwi moto mu kra ebe yi wo see ye the Wi-Fi ebe ko school which is true me no take wo index number ye generate code ma password ultimately dey access internet free of charge if you are a student on campus enti say o maka so mo de be ko SHS enye nwa fi say me ankaza me beneficiary of it.
Okay. Mr. Angie, me worry is this if I say the EC in the more by no o person we presidential candidate utia 100,000 Ghana cedis.
It's sacred.
And OABI is some but for some Ghanaians and a majority of Ghanaians this is a hoping money. And the obi in the end obi ekukuru 100,000 Ghana cedis. Say or the Kwakor Ma Electoral Commission. Is it that ope fame and only ground be a commitment to cruise amount to say or the Kwakor decide man?
Maybe nim or my job the but Sikanu is sir. Scan Electoral Commission or John Financial you or the two. Now we have certain percentage. If you fall within that bracket or Sadu Sikamam. And in your dear Omudi make it profit. Because you must get your constituency. So I say, na ubo modia yedu sika ma. Nti say paper no na hwe Ghana 30 million population. O see me only 17 people and are up for that position. And the percentage of 17 of 30 million I saying it is no money because the electoral commission in Jemfa wa ubebo ho modern wunya certain percentage or sadu sika ma.
Okay.
Na we are a double tray 100,000. Now, the 100,000 in Sika. You are just getting out of woman and woman. What we are the for? And this call missing Udike enya 0.1%. I will be shocked. Jataba. Missing 0.0 no crowd. They say you will bring 0.0. No question to almighty question to. The police station boy to I am NDC, MPP, maybe a CPP 2, NDC. Main monitor me a waba me now.
One motivation is saying.
Say we have so many ways of killing a cat. A bit more business intent.
Okay.
Thing on the corporates. A bit more good networking. When you get to the upper class owner,
okay.
Business links. Okay.
Obia
on motive. Obo person ye popular. Ni party nkan. Mamuno transfer. And a political party no brand. And can you real motive no not to become a president? Almost say we need that avenue to say something now. Other political parties in the other part of the world, smaller parties, only make sense and they make the government. But Jataba okay. One driver, driver, or ye financier, or ye party chairman, or ye flag bearer, or ye communication person. Such a person, we are sure say politics no more now or more selfish interest. They have their own interest, and that one I cannot say it. But I know say there are people there who don't know the reason why they are there. One more no coffee, say be obi nipa, say be your ube friend say. Na ya na oja tem di no kura now. What you get for instance? What you need to know for that and I make a way na kiki no nam no work no ban na new free no your condition.
If I should run you through the list, and maybe my last question on this. Alfred Kwame Walker, independent candidate. Nana Akufo-Addo, MPP. Bridget Jagbenuku, PPP. Christian Kwabena Andrew, Chabosom Gum. John Mahama, NDC. Ekwadonko, GFP. Afi, Ubitese Herbert Latte, GCPP. Marik Kofi Gani, independent. Hassan Ayarga, APC. Kofi Granting, independent. Nana Kunadu, NDP. Ivor Green Street, so CPP, Afi Akwesi Adeodike, UPP, Kofi Akwesi Busumuru, PAP, Nana Jeni Boatin Jataba, UFP, Kofi Akwalu, LPG, and Apasara, PNC. So list we expect easy say from Wachina Econo, Omode, Omo scripting on Wunyan Ebeba, who qualifies and who don't qualify. What expectations in saying, what expectations are you be trouble? Yes, you be trouble going for the trouble. Meaning, say, Nana Akufo-Addo, president, former president Mahama, they will qualify. Only Oko Koma, Asema Beba. Okay. And the Enukra, used to need you, Mumbai say. CPP, a traditional party, only grounds. You don't, they are not visible. Okay. But they could come. PNC will also come. Fair for more. The independent candidates. Yeah. Yes. Walker. Yes. Independent candidate. Kofi Granting. But others, you know. And PPP names Obeba. Bridget. Yes, Obeba. Okay. And the Menya. Into 5, 6. Yes. So what the independent no can one. Training na can one. Not just Yenya 5, 6. They will come. Okay. But the rest, I doubt, like Udike, Jenny Boatin, Kuyadonko, Trabosum. I don't know. I mean, you know, Papa, and I mean, share that steady, you know. Okay. In politics, I make count. Yeah. I mean, share that steady, you know. Okay. Ono Apalu, Kofi Akpalu is also making a lot of noise. Also, a noise maker. What's your metria? Academia. Oh, yeah, one also, I don't know they are born in this Utopia. Aqualu, Nakatro, Somiha. Now, obviously, a concert party in Okoyana, and such a nice gentleman. Oh, not you won't be now, Okasana, oh, Diabro. Somiha, Nasomiha. Obviously, I would be a horse you. Asana. President Kufuor, the president, he was very nice. He come, hopefully, we are born in Jansen. President Mahama,
No almost say Akufo Addo yakokra. Wo wura ho pie, wo say the tree ni na say. Wo wura ho na Akufo Addo ni tree tutu yansa. Enti on dey here come asem because on no kra no he is blessed. Enti on here baby a ye ko tena e ko diablo somehow. By the way, these people going as presidency, apart from the independent candidate, parliamentary candidate, yes. It's cross-check that.
I just say visa easy. Now, all my list.
They are jokers. When you get the candidate, you walk Ashanti region, yes. I know one. Fuse na binani poster airport.
Last Friday, yeah, called easy boss of Ashanti region. One of us NPP and DCD, all the 47 seats of Ashanti region, one failed the candidates, but he didn't talk about the other parties.
That means there's a question mark. Now, who could get a better chino walk then? You are who person who do drink. They are just there. They are just there. And one who could have a so hanging. Now, who can 1, 2, 1 vehicles now walk to a moment. I praise it. Nana for the better one. No one winning. Mama, any of that number, that is their beef. May I have interest in education. And because of that, I will support the Akufo Addo. And whoever will champion education, and yes, I will say, this is 20 years. Ye bow as soon as you come out, and you know.